Hello class, today we're going to be working on our numbers. So we're going to review our old numbers and then we're going to build our way up to our number 5 that we're going to be working on today. So we're going to do them in number order, starting at the smallest number that we have. The first number that we're going to be doing is number 1. But before we do number 1, what I need you guys to do is stand up. Because as we are doing our numbers, we're going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 is the number we are going to be working on today. All right, so as we work on 5, I'm actually trying to find my 5. There it is. As we work on our 5 today, we are going to be working on writing it. We're going to be working on creating it and what kind of numbers go together to make the 5? We'll find out in just a moment. You guys are going to need your pencil. You're going to need your crayons and your blocks. Ready? Here we go. All right, now that we put our numbers in number order, starting by the lowest, and we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are going to put our blocks together. And this is our 5 that we have. I'm going to put it right to the side. Now I'm going to go up to the top and I'm going to make sure my name is at the top of my paper. And then I'm going to read our poem because our poem is what we're going to be doing for writing our 5. It says, go down and around, then add a hat. There's your 5. Now how about that? All right, so let's try this. I am going to trace over my 5 first. I'm going to go over, then go down, then around. There you go. So 5, they have you going down and around and then going up and making a hat. Ready? So you start at the sky, you go down to the horizon. Then you're going to make a backward C, and then you're going to give it a hat. The hat goes right up on top. Again, from the sky to the horizon, make a backward C, and then give it a hat. It could be kind of confusing. If you're going to be doing it, you could try to act like you're going to do a 0, and that sometimes helps out too. I'm going to do it again. I'm going to go from the sky to the horizon, backward C, kind of like I'm making a circle, and then I'm going to give it a hat. When I'm done with that, I'm going to go all the way across. Then I'm going to start over on the left-hand side again, and I'm going to write my 5s again. Now, since we're doing our 5s, we did our 5 blocks. Now I need to do my 5 tally marks. So I'm going to write tally marks right here. Our tally marks, we've already done 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 5 is a bit different. I'm going to make these a little bigger so you can see them. All right, 5 is a bit different. When you are making a 5 for tally marks, you are going to just cross out those 4. That way, when you look at this, you already know that it's a 5. So you can count by 5s instead of trying to count each one of the sticks. You know that this is a bundle of 5. Kind of like when you guys are driving down and you see a big bale of hay. You know how the hay is all roped together. Usually it's in a rectangle shape, and then it's got its ropes that hold it together. That is like our tally marks right here. Our tally marks, we are doing our 4 lines, and then we've got our 5th line that's roping them all together. All right, so we've got our 5 tally marks, and then we've got our 5 blocks. Now we are going to be going over and we're going to be doing our 5 on our 10 frames. Ready? 5 on our 10 frames. So here's our 10 frames. And I'm going to take, we already have done 1, 2, 3, and 4. We already have 4. So we could write a 4 down here for our 4 because we have 4 already. That was the number we did the other day. Now we're going to add 1 to it. I'm going to add my purple to it. So 4 plus 1 equals, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is correct. Ready? 4 plus 1 equals 5. All right, so we are going to go back over to our paper. What you guys are going to do is at the bottom, you need to color in using your crayons. Notice my crayons are still nicely kept into my box. You're going to color in your 5. Nice and neat. All right. Thank you very much, and we'll see you guys tomorrow for your 6s. Bye.